excuse me? Yes. Can you please pass the cinnamon? Yeah, sure. Thank you. No problem. Hi, excuse me again? Yes. I'm Ashwini. Shraddha. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I joined just 2 days before as an intern. Just trying to familiarize faces around me. Okay. So would like to know a little about you. Oh, sure. So welcome to Orange. How are you liking it so far? So far, so good. Okay, that's good. So I am Chief Marketing Officer here at Orange. Okay. And I've been in this role for the last 2 years. Yeah. Great. I never thought I would become the Chief Marketing Officer. Oh, no problem. You're working on global scale for marketing for one of the top ranked consumer product. So tell me, what's something new you're doing? I'm just excited. Okay, sure. So actually, I have to run for a meeting, and we have like 5 minutes. As you may know, the products of Orange are not being perceived as positively as they were. Lots of our customers are going to competitors. So the big initiative from my side is I'm putting together a team of field officers where I want them to go talk to customers to really understand what is it that they're not liking in our products, and to really survey them. So that's a big initiative on my plate, and I'm really working hard to get that rolling. Okay. I don't have much experience or expertise, okay. But one thing I could say is, as a consumer, if before buying a product, I used to refer to the social media a lot. Twitter, Facebook, Amazon, because customer give this kind of reviews. They talk about the experience, what they felt about the product, how was the perception, how the field was, how the service center was. So before doing that, I just go inside that and look at it. Now the data you're trying to collect, I think it's almost similar. Maybe you could get this data to look for too. Maybe you're trying to get to a particular technique you want to learn? Yeah, it's just not the data. We can even use some machine learning techniques to analyze this data, okay, come up with some useful information that we might use. And I think it will be the same result as you are getting to field service. Okay, sounds interesting. So, but then, do you know how accurate is these techniques going to be? Can I like, what do you do about accuracy, for instance? For example, I can talk about one of the recent similar work. Okay. We do sentiment analysis. Okay. So, this is about your competitor. For one of your competitor products, we took a lot of the tweets, did a sentiment analysis on them. Okay. We, based on the tweet, we gave it whether it's positive or negative or just a fact, neutral things. We just classify and develop a machine learning model which can do this automatically. I see. For example, just give it some 100 tweets or Amazon product reviews. Okay. It can tell you whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. Even on an overall scale, it can tell you overall based on the data you gave, is it good or bad. Okay. But going back to the question of accuracy is totally in the hands of the developer. Okay. To be very brief, we actually first train the model. That is, help the computer learn how to predict in the future. I build a training model, and based on which prediction is done. Okay. If the training model is good, made with a large number of data and data of good quality, that determines how great the data is. I see. Interesting. But what about, so computers take everything very literally. They do not understand sarcasm or metaphors. What do you do about it? Like, how do I go try to extract the underlying meaning, what customer is trying to tell us using these machine learning models? Yes, this challenge was there in the technique, but over the years, a lot of development has happened. Okay. There's a kind of opinion mining, lexicon dictionary database, and there's a database of sentiments of positive and negative. Huge tools are developed, and over the time, the accuracy and the means of prediction has increased. There are some shortcomings. For example, determining the sarcasm is not very easy. So there are some lessons, and definitely it's not 100% fail-proof too, okay, but it still gives you that first estimate. Good thing about this tool is, you do once you build the model, you use it again and again. Imagine you every month, at the end of the month, you can just set the click of the tool, tell that what people talk about your product in the tweets. And it can tell you, say, so many people tweeted about it. First one, can even say so many people, say 40% of them were negative about it, 60% are positive. Okay. In fact, if we could work a little more on the product, we can go one step deep and tell if positive, what positive. If negative, what negative that I should worry about. Okay. Do you think it will be good for you? The problem statement sounds really interesting because it will basically cut my field officers from 100 to 10. So I'm excited about it. But then, can you show me some data to back what the findings? Like, do you have, if you've done this work before, do you have some graphs you can show it to me?
Yeah, it's interesting. You remember I told you I did it for one of your competitors?
Right.
I'm going to show some generalized information about that. So, yeah, here it is.
Yeah.
The results are presented in different ways. One of them is a simple table where we put all the tweets and the predicted value as positive, negative or neutral. Next is some intermediate decision tree. For example, this is the decision tree used in predicting whether a particular word or particular tweet is negative or positive. Third is about some word clouds. So for example, here we have two word clouds. The one on the left is about positive, on the right is about the negative sentiments. Let's see an illustration of this. So, these are some of the positive sentiments in terms of the tweets we collected. Many of the tweets are talking about their love, thanks, how they feel great about the product, and how much they like a book followed by watch, and how is the brand perception. So, for example, there are 15 citations of love, 14 citations of thanks, and in terms of the general products, 8 citations. So, it's a very dynamic interactive graph. Quickly you can have a gist of how the overall perception was in terms of positive ways. So, for that particular period of time where the tweets are collected, these are some of the strong feelings of people about Apple. Similarly, we want to see the negative perception. So, yeah. Looks like quite a lot. So there is a lot of negative perception about the iPhone, followed by how the Apple support is being done, MacBook, the updates, headphones. Again, you can see the frequency or the number of citations here. So this is about the negative thing. So these are some places where Apple immediately have to act in order to improve or change the perception of people. So this is one kind of representation. Now, you may be interested to know how the connection is. For example, in terms of updates of what? Are you talking about the Apple book, or are you talking about the phone, or are you talking about the tablet? So there can be questions of that kind. To solve that, we give another kind of representation. It's called as a network diagram. Yeah. So here, for example, all the big balls are the biggest issues, the update issues, iPhone-related issues, user-related issues, service-related issues, etc. Now we can go one more step. For example, if I say update is the issue, updates are what? Looks like iPhone, and then also looks like touch is becoming a problem whenever there is an update.
Hi everybody, I'm Shweta Jindal.
Hello, I'm Ashwini.
We are MIT STM students and we are working on a project together for 1.125. I hope you guys enjoyed our video and got a gist of what we were trying to accomplish in our project.
So, take a look at the tool as well as the presentation, and any feedback or comments, please let us know. See you.
See ya. Thank you. Thanks for watching.